been working on this highway. I've been going to A&T for 3 years now. For 3 whole years. And we still are stuck for 2 lanes on this side going 65 miles per hour. And 2 lanes on the other side going 65 miles per hour. For 20 miles. That may not seem like a lot. But when the traffic is stop and go, every 5 seconds, it is a lot. And it's really sad that it's taking them forever to finish this. But yeah, unfortunately, I was able to do everything except record the college morning routine. So, yeah, I did get footage of a lot of stuff, but I'm already on the way home. I'm not going back to Greensboro for a long time until we come back to school, hopefully. Hopefully there's no reason that I need to come back. I need to focus on this traffic. Watch the breakdown. Why you make it so complicated? I'm here before my parents, which is not usual. So maybe they went somewhere. I guess so. It's an early morning today. So yeah, now that I'm home from school, have to do my big sisterly duties. My sisterly duties, which is to take my siblings to school. Not my siblings, sorry. Take my little sister to school. My brother already graduated. And take my brother to work. That's what I just did. I just dropped off my sister at school. My sister actually goes to the same high school my brother went to and my boyfriend went to. And my boyfriend and brother went to the same school at the same time. And my cousin, she also went there. But I didn't know him then. So, yeah. She said she didn't want to go to my school because it was lame. But yeah, so my brother has to be at work at 8. So we'll probably leave at 7:50. I thought she left something or something. My sister just called me, but she was just asking if I was picking her up too. If that's the case, then I need to come at 2:15 on the dot, unlike our parents do. So I'm home. I was just informed that I actually don't have to leave back out at 8. It's probably gonna be like an extra hour and 20 minutes or so because my mom forgot to put my brother's clothes in the dryer. So, yes, he has to wait for his clothes to dry, so I actually am going to go to sleep because I have enough time now. Ooh, I'm out of breath. Had to run up here. And I'm about to pee. So, okay, so it's later in the day. I still look a mess, but what else is new? I don't come on here with fully makeup and hair did. No, of course not. Yeah, I'm hungry as crap. So I'm just about to make some eggs and grits. Yeah, that's good. He's a little salt. Yeah. I think I'll save my sister some. She might want some. Let's see. Hey, girl. You want some cheese grits? She said yes. So saved her some. My dad probably gonna come in the house and want some, but I mean I doubt she's gonna eat all of that. She can just save him some. I'll let her use this bowl. yeah, now the only dishes I have to wash. Well, still a lot. I gotta wash the pan for the eggs, pot for the grits, my plate, and my sister can wash her bowl and her silverware. Good morning. I know it look crazy and busted. We already know how we do on this channel. So it's Saturday. I just dropped my brother off at work. It's about 8 o'clock. I was sleeping good. Fell asleep on FaceTime. Okay, so it is Sunday. And if the camera cuts out and it's like a different part of the day, that's because Tamir called me. But I'm just gonna record for now. But yes, it's Sunday morning for me. I just woke up. Same old, same old. To make some eggs and some grits. Alright, so this is what I love about being home. I have everything I need. Hopefully I'm in the frame, but yeah, I'm just about to wash my face, brush my teeth, and products, Bragg Organic, Colgate Deep Clean, toothbrush, also Colgate, pure baking soda, oatmeal soap, and thin brush. Even though my hands are already clean, I'm gonna wash them again because, you know, I don't play about my skin. Hunted.
Move. Both of y'all, move.
Baskin-Robbins is the Sunday. It's the shake. It's the new Sunday shake.
Car that did have everything. This is the Chevy Cruze. Go Chevy.
Get 20% below MSRP on all Cruze and Malibu LT models. That's almost $4,700 on this Chevy Cruze. Find new roads at your local Chevy dealer.
New truck. Non-GMO ingredients, no artificial flavors. All the energy dogs need and nothing they don't. New truck. Feed clean.
Almond fans, your favorite cereal is now more almondy.
Is good.
The honey sweet clustery.
At least to the other wing of the house.
I'm gonna create a distraction. You guys at Casual DC opening.
Get around with this beef that's gonna go bad if you ain't cooked it in a bed of hay. Pork chop and chicken wing.
There's a bird stuck. I'm trying to help it get out. But every time I come to the side that it's on, it keeps flying to the other side of the dang on. Come out. Come out. Somebody speak bird to this thing. Okay. So obviously the only way I'm gonna get it out is going in. But I don't want to get, see, every time I come, so I guess. Bird doesn't understand. It's out of breath. It's dumbfounded. Ah! Please don't hurt me. I'm trying to get you out. Okay. I'm just gonna get out. It's so dumb, like. I don't want to get close, I'm scared. Bugs, get away! Bird, I'm trying to help you. Go that way. Ooh, this thing pecked me to death. I don't want rabies. Oh, gosh. Get out. Maybe. Come on, birdie. I don't want it to attack me. Should I give it some bread or something? Make a breadcrumb path. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely not touching it. Yes, walk. Yes. Keep going. Oh my gosh. This thing is dumb. I think it wants to stay. I know it sees that part right there that don't got nothing on it. The fact that it thinks going up is going to help it get out is hilarious.